It's in our new house. And what? The blue roof opens. I'll go to baby class, okay? What? Hi.
Hi. What do you guys have today?
We have magnet tiles.
They look like magnet tiles, but they're Picasso tiles.
Yeah, Picasso tiles.
So you guys gonna build something?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Nice.
Look at all that.
It's the structure.
So what are you guys gonna build?
A house.
You're gonna build a house?
Yeah.
Okay. These are all the pieces it comes with. So you guys gonna build a house?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, this is slide. This is the baby slide.
There you go.
A cool house.
Cool. Looks like a pyramid house.
Yeah, but it has walls on the side. It's in our new house. And what? The blue roof opens.
Whoa. Is it in there?
Yeah. Yeah, she's in there, and and her baby's up here. This is her small house. Okay, that's the time to go to school. And when you're done with school, you can play on the bed and play at the playground. Okay, here's class. I want to go class too. You have to stay there because you can't go class. It's not for babies. I'll go to baby class, okay? What? It's baby class.
Uh-oh. The house fell down when we were at school.
No.
While you were at school, your house collapsed.
What the heck? Broken. No, I can build it back better. Yay! Thank you, Mr. Nathan. I'm still at school. Oh no, I'm getting trapped now. Hey, this is baby. Daddy, can I go outside now because I'm done with school? Okay.
Okay.
Daddy, I can go too. Daddy, I'm done with school now. Can I go on the playground? Sit there. Hey, Daddy. What? Can I go to school? Can I go at the playground? Sit there. Sure.
Okay,
Daddy. Bye.
See you later.
Bye.